Hello and welcome to my subtitling tutorial for videos using the Aegisub program. First, we will load the video we will be subtitling by clicking on Video and clicking on Open Video. We will then navigate to our video that we want to subtitle. Click on the video and hit Open. Now, there are several ways of coming up with the script to actually time. One method is to simply scroll over to look at the sound graph over here, find where the first line is. Right here, you see the green sound blob right over here. Right click after it, left click before it. Hello. Listen to the sound bite, and then type it in, and then hit enter, and the line will be created, and you will go on to the next line. If you would simply like to listen to the video and create the script beforehand without timing anything, you can also do that. You can simply play the video and then go create a new text document, name it whatever you want, and you can type in whatever you want. Line. So we have some words right there, and then we can actually open up that as well with by going to File, opening Subtitles, and you can see clearly that they added the little script right here. So now that you've roughly timed the subtitles to the video, you can now start making them better by adding in lead in and lead out time. What that does is it lets the viewer have an easier time reading the subtitles, as sometimes the subtitles may be too short, or their eyes just need a second to catch up. You simply do this by clicking on the line that has some extra room around it and could use some more time, which is mostly all of them. And unless it runs into another line, you press the C button to apply the lead in. You press the V key to apply the lead out, and you hit enter to apply. Same here, except we have an exception right here where it runs into the previous line. You do not want that at all. So what we do is we click there, and we match it up with the end of the previous line, and then we hit enter. You basically don't want to have a lot of gaps between between the lines, essentially, as you can see on the sound graph. So you line up perfectly, and you left click to change the front, and you right click to change the back of the line. So, and note the purple lines. Those show what they call the keyframes when basically when the scene changes. Unless it's absolutely necessary, subtitles shouldn't cross between key scenes, essentially. And now that I've taught you how to clean up your subtitles, and let me show you how to save them. You can just save them as the standard Aegisub format by just hitting Save Subtitles or Save Subtitles As, and you can save it as your standard subfile, right, as seen right here. However, that's good, but it doesn't really have really great compatibility with a lot of players. So what you'll do after you save them is you're going to export your subtitles. And you can do that by just hitting export, and you type file name .srt. Yeah, you're going to want to actually specify that you want it as an SRT because that's one of the more popular subtitles formats. So you click that SRT, and you probably want to name it as the same as the video. So when you load up the video in the media player and the subtitle file is in the same space, it will automatically load on most players. So you save that, and now let's go watch our video. As you can see right here, I opened the video, and you can clearly see the subtitles that loaded automatically. So there it is. Now you know how to subtitle your own videos. It takes a while, but it works. Have a good day.